It's really noisy in here because the kettle's boiling. I am making myself a cup of coffee and I'm going to sit down and do my makeup because I'm going to get my hair done in town today. Where is this all wrapped around me? There we go. I'm just out of bed. It's only gone 8:30, 8:45, something like that. And I was watching Trisha Paytas mukbang videos in bed, so I was like, I better get up right now and like start my day. I was like watching her eating like Burger King and then like getting cravings for food. I was like, get up and get breakfast. I love to actually live vicariously through her. I wish I could sit there and eat all of those like unhealthy meals. I really do, but I'm like, just couldn't do it. But I love watching her eating. I don't know why, I just love watching Trisha Paytas eating any junk food. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee now and then I'm gonna sit down and do my makeup. I'm gonna do something really basic because like I said, I'm just going into town, so nothing kind of extravagant today. But I just wanna have a bit itchy eye. I just wanna have my makeup done today, and I'm getting my nails done in 2 days as well, and I'm gonna go short with them and square because I'm going to a wedding and I just want them shorter. Like, you know, these were kind of like Halloween nails, so I want something like more wintry, Christmassy now. So I think short square nails, will go back to basics with them. That's what I'm feeling right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go make myself some coffee. Okay, so I have my coffee here. I'll sit here at the kitchen table and do my makeup because why not? I have nowhere else to do it. Oh, that's hot coffee. Okay, let's get started. Okay doke guys, I am ready and heading out the door now. I didn't straighten or do anything with my hair, I just left it air dry yesterday. The girls in Platinum will do the straightening and sort its little life out. I am looking forward to getting my extensions in, and I'll talk to you guys probably when I'm getting them fitted. My appointment's in like an hour, so I better get going. Hey guys, so I'm just after leaving Platinum and I have my new long blonde hair. I'm so excited. I actually can't believe that I have my hair back in and I've gone this long without having it because it's been a misery not having it in. And my hair is just feeling fabulous. So I'm gonna go do a bit of shopping I think now, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, I'm on the way home and I picked up a toffee nut latte. Oh, sorry, probably can't even hear me. I picked up a toffee nut latte from Starbucks because that's just what I was feeling. I've also heard that the eggnog lattes are supposed to be really nice, but I haven't tried them yet. Like I haven't tried them any year that they've ever come out. So has anyone else had them? Are they nice? I'm liking this one though. I don't know if I'd like this one better than the Costa one. I can't decide. Hi guys, I'm home. I am home. I don't know why my face looks so yellow. That's really weird. I just figured out what was wrong. I had the wrong setting on, but I still look really yellow. I think it's that foundation. I mixed in a little bit of Marc Jacobs Remarkable, and I think it's just a bit too yellow for me for this time of the year because obviously I'm a little bit paler this time of the year. I'm gonna make something to eat because I'm starving, and John's gonna be home any minute now, so I'm thinking fajitas because they're really quick and easy and they're just kind of like the ticket. We're gonna go see A Star Is Born tonight. I've been pre-warned that it is very sad, so I've been bringing my tissues with me, and also I have been like told that there's kind of like triggers in it, stuff that's in it that's obviously not very nice, but I'm still quite keen to see the movie. I really want to see the movie, so that is what we're going to go see tonight. I can't wait because I'm looking forward to some nachos, some popcorn, and M&M's. Yes. I don't think of anything else to catch us up on, guys, because he kind of came along with me most of the day. John rang me a little while ago, and that's when we decided we're going to go cinema, because he was like, I want to bring you cinema tonight. I was like, yeah, I'd love that. All I ever like get really excited about, and I've talked about this before about going to the cinema, is the treat food. My lipstick on my teeth, yeah, 100%. So I'm gonna go and start cooking, and then I will, I don't know, catch up with you then, I guess, when I'm done cooking. Okay, I didn't actually go and start cooking yet. I just wanted to kind of like chat with you just for a little moment. Oh, the TV's after coming on really blue. Because I was reading all my comments today when I was on the way into town, and I was just sitting like kind of flicking through them, and I just want to say thank you so much to all of you guys who took the time to write lovely comments. And I just wanted to say that I acknowledge and recognize all of your comments, and I read all of those comments, and I love to read all your comments, and I never ever want you to stop like writing your comments and leaving them down below. But I just did read one comment, and it's not a negative comment or anything like that, so I can't actually remember her wording like exactly of what she did say in her comment, but it was something like, why are all like vloggers and YouTubers always harping on or kind of highlighting the negative comments that they get, and instead of like highlighting them, just bypass them and stuff. And I just want to say I really agree with what my subscriber did say. I totally like understand where that person's coming from, but I just wanted to kind of be real for a moment. This is real life, and I guess like some days I read comments like that and I'm just kind of like, oh whatever, and then some days they kind of affect me a little bit more, depending on my mood and depending on like, you know, what's going on in my life, or depending on, you know, how I feel in that particular day. And some days I want to kind of like tear my hair out because I'm really annoyed over the comment, and other days I'm like, that's, you know, whatever, your opinion's your opinion. I just wanted to say, like, on day-to-day basis, like, I just kind of like vlog as I'm feeling that day. Does that make sense? Yesterday, for instance, I got loads of lovely comments, and I got like, you know, criticism and whatever, the usual. But obviously I don't want to kind of like harp on every single day about a particular topic and kind of like talk about the same things all the time. So I kind of bring in a little bit of real life, and real life can be negative sometimes, and I just wanted to kind of like address comments that I do get, because I feel like it's good to address the positive with the negative and just kind of like give a balanced response. Does that make sense? I hope you guys understand kind of what I'm saying, like that I'm not negative and I don't like focus on the negativity and I don't like harp on about it. It's just kind of like a passing sweeping comment that I might make in that particular day, and I can't help how I might feel in a particular day. Something might really annoy me, and then other days the same comment might not annoy me as much. Does that make sense? And then I just kind of want to address, sometimes people actually have questions in their comments, like they're not always like negativity. Sometimes people just make constructive criticism, or sometimes they're asking a genuine question. And I usually kind of like, if I see the same kind of question come up in my comments, or the same kind of like feel that people are like given out, I usually kind of address it as well in my video. I hope that makes sense. Like I feel like I'm not making any sense whatsoever, but I just want you guys to know that the variety in my videos comes with, you know, your mood and how you feel day to day, and also, you know, just to kind of address certain things. I don't want that person to think, or anybody who's just stumbled upon my channel or anything like that, that I'm negative. I'm not. Somebody said to me it's really childish how I kind of like scream at the camera and I get really overexcited. You'd hate to know me in real life then, because I just do be overexcited about a lot of things. I can be real, obviously, from time to time, but I do get very overexcited over things. I don't know, I get very hyper and things like that. That's just my personality. I am as real as it comes on my vlog channel, and I don't know how to do any other acting or anything like that, so me screaming at the camera is just me being excited. I don't mean to be like screaming and being childish with the, yeah, you'd probably think I was childish then if you met me in real life, because I you know, I get overexcited over things. I can't help it. think we're all a bit like that from time to time. And I guess nobody's perfect, and you know, you're not gonna like every single thing about every single person. It's just life, I guess. Also, I got a little shrug for my dress for the wedding. It's a little fur shrug I got for €15 in Pennies. Delighted with it. I am so happy with it. And when I was paying, because I was in town, I went to O'Connell Street Pennies, and the woman was there and she was like, oh my god, where did you get that? The woman who was checking me out, she was mad about the little fur stole shrug thing. So I was explaining to her, I was like, oh, it's upstairs. She was like, they must have only just come in, I need one of them. And then I was telling her I was going to a wedding. She was so lovely. She was really, really, really nice. And then we were just kind of like talking about outfits and the fur shrug. I know, I'll show you it now actually. This is it, guys. It's so cute, it's lovely. It's just a little faux fur scarf shrug thing. It has this little hole on the side so you can pull the scarf through. If I could actually do that. Oh my god, I'm making a mess of this. And then it kind of wraps around your shoulders. It's really, really, really nice, and might be perfect for my dress because apparently the weather on Saturday is supposed to be very mild. These are my shoes. These are also from Pennies that are going with the outfit or the dress. And then I got this like stick-on bra from Pennies, and then I also got this little bag, and then I got these earrings, and that is my dress there. It's like, you can see it, it's like velvet. It kind of looks darker, but it's like a cobalty blue. My god, what is on that? I'm actually going to have to get a lint roller on it, because you know the way with velvet, everything kind of sticks to it. But that is my dress for the wedding at the weekend. And then I have the little fur stole thing to go around it. And if that doesn't work, I also have like a silver kind of like grey duster coat that might work either. But you know, there she is in all her glory. Hey guys, I'm just home from this cinema, and I'm just after getting into my jammies, and now I'm going to take off my makeup and get into bed. I went to see A Star Is Born with John, and oh my god, I was so upset. I cried so much through it. It's really, really, really upsetting and sad, but it's a lovely movie at the same time, because I just think Lady Gaga is just phenomenal. Like the last time I went to see her in concert, I cried like through the whole concert because I just thought she was amazing. Anyway, yeah, if you're wondering why I have a big blue plaster on my finger, I sliced through my finger with the knife while I was preparing dinner, and it's a bit of a bloodbath under there, and I couldn't get it to stop bleeding, so I had to put a plaster on it. I was panicking, thought I might have needed a stitch. It's pretty deep actually. Anyway, besides the point, I'm going to bed now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will talk to all you guys in tomorrow's vlog. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.